Good morning viewers, myself Rabindranath Singh and this is our second class of sets. Today we are going to learn about empty set, finite set, infinite set and equal sets. Now what is empty set? First we have to discuss about the definition of empty set. Empty set is a set having no element is called empty set or null set. Again we read a set having no element is called empty set or null set. Now we are to discuss some examples of empty set. The first one is set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Set of odd natural number divisible by, is it possible? Odd natural number, that is set of odd natural numbers, that is, let the set be denoted by A, second bracket 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and onwards. Now is it possible? All these are odd numbers. Is this possible for any number to be divisible by 2? No, this is not possible. Therefore this is a empty set. Therefore set of odd natural number divisible by 2 is an empty set. Now we come to the second point. Set of even prime number. Set of even prime number greater than 2. Again this is a null set or empty set. There is no even number. There is no even number. And even number set. Now first you write the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and onwards. These numbers are called even numbers because they are divisible by 2. And which of the numbers are prime number? This is only the number which is prime. This is only the number which is prime number. This is only even number which is prime. Therefore it is given that set of even prime number greater than 2. Even prime. So therefore there is no other even number which is prime, because 4 is not an even number, 6 is not an even number, 8 is not an even number. No other even number is prime except 2. And since here it is given thus greater than 2, therefore greater than 2 there is no even prime number. Therefore this set is also a null set. This is empty set. Empty set. This is also empty set. And now this is set of the third point. Now come to the third point. X such that x is a natural number x less than 5 and x greater than 7. Now for any number x is a natural number x less than 5 and x greater than 7, simultaneously this is not possible for a number to have these two conditions, to carry these two conditions simultaneously. This is a number cannot be less than 5 and simultaneously greater than 7. Is it possible? No, this is not possible. No number simultaneously at a time, no number at a time can be less than 5 or greater than 7. Therefore this is an empty set, undoubtedly. Empty set. Next come to the fourth point, that is x is equal to x square is equal to x such that x square is equal to 4, x is odd. Now x square is equal to 4. What does it give? X is equal to plus minus 2, that is plus 2 and minus 2, and both are even number. Both are even number. Plus 2 is an even number, minus 2 is also even number, but here it is given that odd. So no odd number is there whose square is 4. Therefore this is also an empty set. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about finite set and infinite set. Now what is the definition of finite set? What is finite? What is finite set? A set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called finite set. A set having countable number of elements. For example, a set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an infinite set because this set has only 5 elements. But what is infinite? This is finite set. This is finite set because this set has only 5 elements. Now set of vowels of English alphabet. That is A, E, I, O, U. This is also finite set because this has also finite number of elements or countable number of elements. These are the examples of finite set. Now we have to discuss about infinite set. A set which contains uncountable number of elements is called infinite set. A set of natural number, for example, set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and onwards. This set, look at this set, this is set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and onward. This set has infinite number of elements, that is you are unable to count the number of elements of this set. Therefore this is an infinite set, such that set of whole numbers, set of real numbers, set of integers, all these are infinite set. And when the infinite set is restricted to some extent, then we get finite set. That is set of natural number less than 10, set of whole numbers less than 10, or set of whole numbers less than 20, set of prime numbers less than 30. These all are finite set because you can count, there is a definite number of elements in the set. And above all, empty set is a finite set. Empty set has no element, that is 0 element, therefore empty set is finite set. Now we have to discuss whether these statements are finite, these sets are finite or infinite. The first statement is the set of months of a year. Now what do you think? This is a finite set because a year has 12 months, January to December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months of a year, therefore this is a finite set. Undoubtedly this is a finite set. Now the second one, the set of the letters of English alphabet. We know there are 26 alphabets in the English alphabet, 26 letters. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Therefore this is also a finite set. Now the third one, the set of prime numbers less than 30. Set of prime numbers less than 30. Now what are the prime numbers less than 30? You start from 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 6, no 6, but 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Look at the list. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is 10 elements in this set. Therefore, this is a finite set. Because there is a limit less than 30, this is also always a finite set. Now the fourth one, the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. So you have to start from here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and onwards. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and onwards. Therefore, there is no end of this set. That is uncountable number of sets, and you can obviously call it infinite set, because the elements of this set is uncountable. There is no restriction, there is no limit, therefore it is an infinite set. Come to the last point, the set of circle passing through the origin 0, 0. You know that the coordinate of origin is 0, 0, and through origin the set of all the circles, let this is 0, 0 point. Let us consider this is a point 0, 0. Now you can draw infinite number of circles through this point. Try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, such that you can draw infinite number of circles through this point. Therefore, there is no restriction, and this is an infinite set. Okay, so we have discussed some examples of finite set and infinite set. Today our last topic is equal set. How two sets do become equal to one another. We have to discuss on this topic. Two sets are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements. Exactly the same elements, that means let two sets A and B. A set has the element A, B, C, D, and B set has the element D, C, B, A. Now the elements are same, but the arrangement is not equal. But set does not depend on the arrangements. If the elements are equal and if the cardinal number is equal, cardinal number means the number of elements of this set, that is 4, and number of elements of this set also, that is 4, equal to 4, and the elements are equal, that is most important thing. Therefore A is equal to B. You can write A is equal to B. A is equal to B. Now the second statement, that is A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and B, x such that x is a positive even integer and x less than equal to 10. Now x such that positive even integer, that is x such that x is a positive even integer less than equal to 10. If positive even integer, that is you have to start from 2, 4, 6, 8 and less than equal to 10, that is 10 is included, 10. Now look at B and A, these two are equal, therefore you can write A is equal to B. Okay, these two sets are also equal. Now come to the third point, 2, 3 and B is equal to x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6. This is 2, 3, there is no doubt, but we have to find the solution of this quadratic equation. that is x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. That is x plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 3 or minus 2. Okay, minus 3 or minus 2, and here is it 2 plus 2 and plus 3. Therefore B set is equal to minus 3 minus 2. Therefore B and A are not equal. Hence just write A not equal to B. Okay, now come to the last point. A, x such that x is a letter of the word follow, and y such that y is a letter of the word wolf. A, letter of the word follow, F-O-L-W. We have discussed earlier, double element should be written once. Double element, that is, there is 2L, but you have to write 1L as you are writing in the set. F-O-L-W, every element must be distinct. Okay, now B, set B, that is W-O-L-F. W-O-L-F. You can see, friends, these two sets are equal. F-O-L-W and F-L-O-W. The arrangement is not required. The elements are equal. Number of elements 4, and the elements itself are equal. Therefore A is equal to B. So today we have discussed about empty set or null set, definition of empty set, some examples of empty set. Next we have discussed about finite set, infinite set. Finite set, that is which has definite number of elements, and infinite set which has uncountable number of elements. Next we come to equal sets. Two sets are to be equal if they have exactly the same elements, and some examples of equal sets or not equal to set. Some equal sets we have discussed, whether two sets are equal or not equal. And this is today's class, viewers. Now if you like this video, please press the like button and share it, and must press the subscribe this video and press the bell icon, please, to get the notification of the next classes.